Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see the fourth part of Credit Cooperative Society. So, let's get started. So, from business summary, if I go to the dashboard, here you can see cash in hand is in minus. So, we need to enter the capital entry and bank balance is 101,300. Now, let's go to the ledger and create. So here from ledger I have created already capital account. This is it cooperative capital. Now I will go to the accounting. So from here, so we need to select the journal and the date which we have started the business. So let's say 1st of July, and here, so in cash the company has done the investment 5 lakh by the capital account 5 lakh. So we can enter the narration here, capital investment by cash, and just save. So once we save, in a business summary dashboard also it will reflect. So you can see now cash is 474,128 and the bank balance is the same. So after that, if I go to the master setup, print template, so here you can see I have added membership form and loan application. So we have already pre-configured print template format. So whatever required to you, we can copy just from here and add to. So if I search the customer F-1, so from here if I go to the star icon and view print format, so here you can see in the membership form, just click to the membership form and view print. So here you can see the print from, you can just give the copy to the customer and you can fill up the form, or you can just email the customer from their email ID. And if I search the loan number for, let's say, loan number 2, so here we can see this loan is closed, but let's go to the print format, and here loan application also we can check. So I have already added the pre-configured format of loan application, and which we can give the printout of this to the customer. So this type the credit cooperative business also we can manage very easy way. And for, let's say, if I go to the status report all party list, so here loan and deposit filter is there. So if I click loan and just refresh, so here you can see this much loan I have given. And if I go to the deposit filter, so you can see this much deposits I have received. So in a due list also, status report due list, whatever dues you can check from here using the different types of filter. These 3 icon you can click here. So there is branch wise filter, you can see day wise filter, employee wise filter, you can check the employee created by, all due, year, month, group wise filter, frequency wise filter, and the assignee wise filter. So different types of filter you can apply here, and you can check the due list as well. So Thank you friends for watching this video and have a great day.